Hi everyone, want to boost your click through rate? Today I'll show you how to add your own face to your YouTube thumbnails using the Pikzels AI FaceSwap in just seconds. First, all you need to do is to head over to the Pixels and log into your account. If you don't have yet one, you can sign up for free. And here in the dashboard, find the face swap option. This is where the magic happens. The Pixels uses AI to realistically place your face in any generated image or thumbnail. And click the upload face and select a clear front-facing photo of yourself and make sure that it's well lit with a neutral background for best result. And next, either generate a brand new thumbnail with AI or select one from the Pixels template gallery. The tool will automatically map your face into the design, and the Pixels will insert your face right into the scene naturally and cleanly. And here, you can customize and export. And once you're happy with it, just download it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to personalize a thumbnails and stand out with Pixel's Face Swap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.